Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your functionality with Wix. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Once logged in, select the site you wish to upgrade. In the site's dashboard, locate the Upgrade button in the left sidebar. Click on the Upgrade button to view your available upgrade options. You'll find plans that differ based on your needs, including features like increased storage and the removal of Wix ads. Consider your requirements and select the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Select button. You will then proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment information and review your order carefully. Once everything is correct, click on Submit to confirm your purchase. After your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Return to your site's dashboard to see your new features in action. Explore the additional functionalities provided by your chosen plan. In the left sidebar, check out the Settings tab for further customization options. Consider upgrading your site's SEO settings to improve visibility. Utilize the App Market to add new tools and features that enhance your site. Explore the editor to make design adjustments aligned with your branding. Preview your site to see how the changes look. Finally, publish your site to share your upgraded functionalities with visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.